Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Capricorn Earth sign, and this reading is from August 11th to August 20th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Capricorn, your recent past. 10 of Wands, Queen of Wands, 4 of Cups. Separation in past, definitely, because one person is feeling very burdened in this connection. That's why they stand by their power. They take their power back because they only take the responsibility of this connection. This time they holding back and they stand by their power. 4 of Cups, definitely they are not accepting the offer which is the cup offered by another person, because they are taking the only responsibility of this connection. That's why they are holding back. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. But the person feeling for the missed opportunity, another person feeling missed opportunity. What is going? The Emperor. Yes, it's you, Capricorn. It's you I am getting. 3 of Wands. Yes, you holding back. You turn your back. Fool. Yeah, I think you want to go in new direction. I am getting. It's you, Capricorn, because you are very honest in this connection. You give 100% in this connection, but the other person is not. Energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation. 3 of Wands. Then this could be long distance relationship also. You turning back. And the Fool, you want to take leap of faith and you want a new start in your life without your person. I am getting. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. 2 cards. Yeah, 8 of Cups. Lot of water energy. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sag. 5 of Cups. You walked away, but your person feeling sad. 10 of Pentacles. This time they want to offer stability, but you are not there because you are moving in another new direction in your life. Because 8 of Cups, you walked away, then your person also has to walk away. There is no another chance, and they're feeling sad for this 5 of Cups. They're feeling very very sad and they want this 10 of Pentacles with you, but you stand by your power. You are holding back. So let's pull some more cards from universe. Your person is emotionally walked away because you are not available. Yeah, Queen of Pentacles, you holding back your coin, Capricorn. Death. I think someone in this connection undergo some transformation. Knight of Wands, but your person want to come towards you. 3 of Pentacles. Yes, there is no equal give and take. You both I think the person has to work with you to grow. I think your person has to work with you to grow this relationship to next level, to take this relationship to next level. So after the transformation, your person will come towards you. Definitely Knight of Wands, passionate. There is lot of passion between both of you. Then your person want to communicate you, and they want to work on this relationship with you after the transformation. The Death card is here, but you holding back your coin. It's up to you, because definitely your person feeling sad without you, because 5 of Cups and 8 of Cups, they want stability with you and they want to be with you, but you are turning your back to them. So definitely you are not accepting their offer in past, but in near future depending upon the energy and your situation. So Capricorn, definitely you stand by your power this time. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.